Indonesian President Joko Widodo, along with the health minister and other senior officials, were vaccinated with China's Sinovac vaccine.
Vaksinasi COVID-19 ini penting kita lakukan untuk memutus rantai penularan virus corona ini dan memberikan perlindungan kesehatan kepada kita dan keselamatan, keamanan bagi kita semuanya, masyarakat Indonesia, dan membantu percepatan proses pemulihan ekonomi.
Since the government knows the existence of COVID-19 vaccination in Indonesia, many people have not believed in vaccines and most of them refuse to carry out vaccinations. People also still believe with the exposure to hoax information about vaccinations. People are affected by rumors that vaccines are not important, so they are reluctant to do vaccinations. Almost all countries admit that vaccines effectively decrease new cases of COVID-19 and death cases. Unfortunately, the lack of education makes many ordinary people skeptical of the reasons why they need to be vaccinated, so they feel hesitant to get vaccinated. Even though there are various types of vaccines and vaccination locations have spread in many places, people need to know and have an awareness of the importance of vaccines to prevent coronavirus during this pandemic. Vaccines are biological products that contain antigens in the form of microorganisms or substances that have been processed in such a way that they are safe and if given to a person will make the antibody immunity against a certain disease. Vaccination is the procedure for providing a disease antigen, usually in the form of viruses or bacteria that are weakened or dead, can also be only part of the virus or bacteria.
The objective to be achieved by granting the COVID-19 vaccine is a decrease in pain and death rates due to the virus. The COVID-19 vaccination is one of the most effective ways to control the coronavirus. The government also recommends that everyone gets it. Cases of the COVID-19 in various countries are reported to be getting under control thanks to vaccinations. This is proof of the importance of vaccine during the pandemic. Because of the importance of vaccination during the pandemic, much research on the development of COVID-19 vaccine is also being carried out in Indonesia. This is certainly an effort to support and encourage the acceleration of vaccination for Indonesia's independence. There are 9 types of COVID-19 vaccine used in Indonesia. However, vaccination programs in Indonesia are generally only carried out using Sinovac, Sinopharm, AstraZeneca, Moderna, Pfizer vaccines.
So, there are no more doubts about getting a COVID-19 vaccine. Identify 4 important aspects of the COVID-19 vaccine during the pandemic, quoted from the official website of the United States Center for Disease Prevention and Control, or CDC.
So, why we should get vaccine COVID-19? Number 1. Effectively minimize the spread of the virus. The COVID-19 vaccine has been shown to be effective in preventing a person from being infected with the coronavirus. If infected, the vaccine can help minimize the spread of the virus. When people who have been vaccinated are still exposed to COVID-19, the vaccine that has been injected into the body will prevent the body from experiencing severe symptoms due to the coronavirus. Number 2. Forming antibodies. The COVID-19 vaccine has been shown to help form an antibody response for the immune system, even in people who have already been infected with the COVID-19. Research shows that vaccination has been shown to provide protection for people who have previously been exposed to the virus. The third is protect those around you. The importance of COVID-19 vaccine during a pandemic is not only for yourself, but also for the others. When someone is infected with the coronavirus, then he is at risk of transmitting it to the people around us. With vaccination, transmission can be minimized. Number 4. Creating herd immunity. The COVID-19 vaccination can also create herd immunity. Experts believe it takes at least 70% of the population to be vaccinated to achieve herd immunity.
During a pandemic, is it important to maintain our immunity? So, here is what you have to do. First, you have to be vaccinated. Second, don't believe in rumors that have no clear source. Third, maintain your immune system, and we need to keep implementing health protocols, both while waiting for our turn to be vaccinated or after getting the vaccine. As much as possible, also avoid going outside or gathering with many people.